Welcome. In this demonstration, we will highlight how to trade like a billionaire, how to utilize the dashboard to your advantage. Now, as you could see, presently, there's no stocks in your portfolio. You have investing content at your fingertips. And the next step you could do, of course, if any of the information here piques your interest, all you have to do is click the article and it will take you to Forbes, opening a new tab. But for this demonstration, what should you do? Next step is to go to Billionaires dashboard. Billionaires dashboard will show you how to trade like a billionaire. The interface is designed in an easy to use format. On the left hand side, we give you basic statistics about the billionaire. On the right hand side, we showcase who is the billionaire. So now let's take a look at our list. So we have Bill Gates. As you could see, the ranking start from highest to lowest. Okay. We also have Ray Dalio, David Tepper, George Soros, Stanley Druckenmiller, Abigail Johnson, Michael Leachin, Bill Gross, John Paulson. Now, we've simplified the process for you to get started. No need to do any research. All you have to do is to select a billionaire of choice. For in this case, we're going to use Warren Buffett since he's a well-known investor. And of course, the technology will break down his portfolio holdings. Upon breaking down his technology holdings, as you could see, basic statistics about Warren Buffett, the different sectors Warren Buffett invests in. So he has 45% portfolio exposure in technology. Financial services is the second largest sector, followed by consumer defense stocks. All of this we'll get in at a later date. But the sector exposure gives you an idea the sectors this billionaire is confident about. What that does for you is that it enables you to not to do any research, because remember, the billionaires hire the best minds. They have the resources to know where to put their money. In addition to that, we've given digestible information about Warren Buffett. So anyone who doesn't know how to invest or any technical knowledge, you could simply read about Warren Buffett to get an idea who he is. In addition to that, we've break down in a simple format, no research needed, the stocks in his portfolio. He owns Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, American Express, and Kraft. Now, you're going to see some interesting points. Stock, market price, holding value, percent of portfolio, estimated average buy price, number of shares, profit and loss, and return. I'm going to explain each. Stock is the companies the billionaires own. Market price, this will move real time once the market opens at 9:30 a.m. Market price is the current price the stock is trading at. Holding value is the amount of money this individual invests in the stock. Percent of their portfolio explains how much percent of their portfolio is invested in the stock. Estimated average buy price is estimated bought price this billionaire bought the stock at. Number of shares, of course, profit and loss, if they're positive, if they're negative, and return, percentage return. That's it. So once you understand this function here, the rest apply across the board. There's nothing else. But there's some key points here that I'd like to highlight. Let's say you don't know who is Apple, okay? All you have to do, put your mouse on the logo, click Apple logo, and we'll give you some basic summary. As you could see, we have DCF value automatically calculated without giving you too much technical charts or too much technical numbers to calculate. So DCF, discounted cash flow, help you to determine a good buy or a good sell. And as you could see, it's giving some good buys here. Now, profile. Profile of the company will explain who is Apple, okay? Which sector they belong in, all right? So if you're comfortable after reading the bio of the billionaire and you're comfortable reading the bio of the stock, you said, okay, you can now make an informed decision. What decision can you make? If Warren Buffett invests $118 billion inside this stock, what is it that you know? Okay, I don't have that kind of money. However, I would like to own part of Apple. What's the next step? You click trade. When you click trade, a pop-up screen will appear. Okay, you will see that the price is 125. What can you do? Because we offer fractional shares, meaning you could invest in dollars amount instead of shares amount. Shares amount is when you say, well, I want 20 shares, and you multiply the 20 shares by the stock price. Dollars amount, on the other hand, we offer fractional shares. So now you could say, well, I want to put 20 US dollar in Apple, okay? 20 US dollar in Apple will give you 0.159 shares. So what this does, it allows you to invest in smaller amounts by owning large companies. You could even go with 200. This platform will calculate the shares for you. 2,000, platform calculate the shares for you. 20,000, the platform calculate the shares for you. So in this example, we're going to use $200. So out of your $20,000, you're going to put $200 in Apple. Use an example how easy it is to trade. Of course, you could see technology fees, 99 cents. That would be deducted from the actual balance. Review your order. So now you're saying you're about to buy Apple at 1.58 shares, technology fee X. Once you click confirm, your order has been successfully opened and it will display to your dashboard. But before I go there, let's go to another billionaire and show you how the same principle apply across the board, how to view their portfolio and to get started to trade. Very simple. Now let's take a look at Stephen. Stephen, of course, basic information about who he is, net worth. His sector exposure is highly in energy, which is different to Warren Buffett. Okay. Bio, who is Stephen, CEO and co-founder of Blackstone. And as you could see, his portfolio composition is different from Buffett. So he has energy stocks, of course. You could see that he bought this at $35, it's at $41, $12 it's at $18, $20 it's at $13, $21 it's at $29. So he has quite not the name brand or the household stocks, but of course energy companies at really discounted price. So once you are comfortable based on what you've seen, you could say, okay, I would like to buy some shares in Chineri, but let me see who is Chineri in the first place. So you select Chineri, see the DCF. DCF here is saying a strong buy. That's a leading indicator. You go to profile and said, okay, let me read up about Chineri. It operates, etc., etc., etc. Once you're comfortable, you simply go to trade. When you go to trade, same principle, you put your $200 or your 2,000 or your 1,000, okay? And then now you simply click review your order, then confirm your order. Trade successfully open. Now, since we've traded and invest like a billionaire, no research has been completed. We've looked at the portfolio, replicate their strategy, and we're going to go to our dashboard. As you could see, your portfolio, your trades has been executed, and you will see here the stock, the direction, which is buy, the amount of shares you own, percent in change, invested amount, initial price, current price, and your opening date. That's how you trade like a billionaire. In this example, we've used Stephen and Buffett to highlight how simple it is for you to get started to trade in stocks using the Billionaires platform without any knowledge whatsoever. Thank you.